this craft we need one single paper from newspaper. Here we have single paper, but this is in rectangle shape. We want square. I will show you how to make square from this. Just fold it from middle and press it. Open it. Here you can see middle line. Just fold it till the middle line. And press it. Now open it. Here you can see one line. Now what we are going to do, just hold this and put this edge on this middle line. Put your finger here on the line and just fold it from here and press it. Now take a scale and pencil, draw a line here and draw a line here. Open it and cut it. Here we have square. We want another square. So once again, what we are going to do, this is our middle line and this is our edge. Put this edge on this middle line and just press it. Draw a line and cut it down. Now here we have two squares. Now we are taking one square, hold it like this, put this corner, this bottom corner on this upside corner and press it. Open it. Rotate the paper and again put this bottom corner on this upside corner. Press it. Open it. Now here you can see a middle point. This bottom corner put on this middle point and press it. Rotate the paper. Again this bottom corner on the middle point. Press here. It will look like this. And now fold the paper. Rotate the paper. And now you can see here corner. Imagine one line here. Just fold this corner. Make sure it will place on each other here and press. Same here. Now it will look like this. We have stick this with glue. Take a glue, apply on this triangle. Here also apply glue on this triangle and stick it. Put your finger here. You can see a pocket size shape. Do same with another square paper. Here we have 2 pockets. Now take one thick paper. Fold this paper. Here you can see line. Now just paste this pocket here. Make sure that your opening part will be in this line. Put glue at back side. Here you can see the design. At the back side, put glue. Here is our opening part and paste here. Take another one. Here also, this is our opening part and this is our design. We put glue at back side. And your opening part will be here. Press it. Take a scale and put here and draw one line here. And here also straight line, and we are going to cut this line. Here we have already fold. Just fold from here. Fold it at back side. Here also fold it at back side. And now just fold it and put like this. Draw one line here. Apply glue here. Stick it, and when it will be dry, we are going to cut this line. Now we are going to cut this line. And here our credit card holder is ready.